we do have our first caller on the line standing by, and that is Alan. Welcome to Law Call, Alan, and what is your question this evening?
Hello. My daughter was backseat passenger in a one-car accident recently. The car flipped over and she ended up with a broken back. No one has come forward and offered to pay any of her medical bills, which have become quite large. What should we do?
Thank you so much for your call, Alan. What is your advice for Alan?
Well, I think Alan needs to talk to a lawyer pretty quickly, because it sounds like your daughter suffered some major league injuries. Sounds like she wasn't at fault because she was sitting in the back seat, or she's a passenger. And so you're the most likely route is to go after the driver, and hopefully he has insurance. If he doesn't have insurance, or he doesn't have adequate insurance, you may want to make what we've talked about on the show many times, a UM claim, which stands for uninsured or underinsured. In this case, it may be insurance. And that's insurance, Tamika, that you buy to protect yourself and your family against people that didn't take the initiative to buy insurance. And I think I've said this more than anything on the show, 1/3 of the drivers in Mississippi don't have insurance, so you better have UM so you can protect yourself in this very situation where the medical bills are piling up, she's got big injuries, and if you're looking at the driver and they don't have a pot of money to go after with no insurance, you could get nothing. And that's a hard conversation to have with a client, but I've had to have it many times.
Especially when you're dealing with a situation like wrongful death, you know.
And your children, I mean, you bring a child into, I mean, I'll go to bat, look, I'll go to the mat for my child, you go to the mat for your child.
Right.
I know that.
That's right.
And then you have to tell a parent, I'm sorry, but there's no other insurance available, or there's $25,000 policy and the bills are $100,000, they have a permanent injury. It's nowhere near enough.
That hurts. Just
yeah, it's a bad conversation, but you have to have it.
You have to.